Hello dear student, myself Dr. V.R. Dangar, MBM Science and Home Science College, Rajkot. In last episode, we learnt about VBT. What is VBT? What is limitation of VBT? Now today we discuss about hybridization and types of hybridization. So first of all, let's start on hybridization. So one of question arising in our mind, what is orbit and orbital in hybridization? What is hybrid orbitals in hybridization? First of all, orbit. What is orbit? Orbit means a path followed by an electron is called orbit. And what is orbital? Orbital means a space zone having maximum probability of finding an electron is called orbital. So simple difference in spelling orbit and orbital, but definition is different. So orbitals and orbital represents as, for example, orbitals are represented K, L, M, N, and orbitals are represented by symbol S, P, D, F. Orbital, it is denoted with help of principal quantum number. Its shape is described by angular momentum quantum number L. So orbit and orbitals. Now let's discuss about hybridization. So first of all, what is hybridization? Hybridization is a concept in which it is believed that different type of atomic orbitals of the same atom mix to produce new orbitals having equal energy and same shape. Orbitals having equal energy and same shape, or the phenomenon of intermixing of the orbitals of same atom having slightly different energies so as to distribute their energy and to give a new set of orbitals of equivalent energy, and set is known as hybridization. So again, what is hybridization? Hybridization is the concept of mixing atomic orbital into new hybrid orbitals suitable for pairing of electron to form chemical bonds in valence bond theory. So the combination of valence shell orbitals of an atom gives a set of equivalent hybrid orbitals is known as hybridization. The combination of valence shell orbitals of an atom gives a set of equivalent hybrid orbital is known as hybridization. The intermixing of two or more pure atomic orbitals of an atom with almost same energy to give same number of identical and degenerate new type of orbitals is known as hybridization. The new orbitals formed are known as hybrid orbitals. During the hybridization, the atomic orbitals with different characteristics are mixed with each other. So hybridization, according to Pauling, the combination of valence shell orbitals of an atom gives a set of equivalent hybrid orbitals is known as hybridization. So there are two bonds In hybridization, sigma bond means lone pair and bond pairs electrons are important role in hybridization. So first of all, let's see what is sigma bond. Sigma bond, how form? So any two atomic orbitals coming nearer to each other and overlapping of both lobes of both atomic orbitals, and a sigma bond is formed. So this type of sigma bond forms, and same formation of pi bond. Let's see how pi bond internuclear axis when overlapping of head to head orbitals, then there is a sigma bond is formed, and when sidewise overlapping of any internuclear axis to form a pi bond. So pi bond remaining p orbitals from sp or sp2 hybridization, this sidewise overlapping of orbitals will form pi bond. So let's illustrate how pi bond is formed. So come closer to this both lobe and mix each other, and this type of pi bonds are formed. Planar molecule, each carbon is trigonal planar with pi cloud above and below the plan. So above and below the plan, this cloud is known as pi bond. Pi bond hinders free rotations about the carbon to carbon bond. Now let's discuss about types of hybridization. So types of hybrid orbitals, for example sp, sp2, sp3, sp3d, sp3d2 and sp3d3 hybridization. These are main types of hybridizations are in our syllabus. So these are types of hybridization. First is sp hybridization. Sp hybridization, there is two lone pair electrons in sp hybridization. So electron pair are 2 in sp hybridization, therefore there are two hybrid orbitals. So two hybrid orbitals, shape of sp hybridization is linear because there are only two electron pairs are available. So two electron pair. So sp hybridization, what is sp hybridization? When one s and p orbital can be combined to give a set of two equivalent sp hybrid orbital is known as sp hybridization. Same thing in sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization, there are 3 electron pairs. So 3 electron pair are oriented in space. So trigonal planars are geometry of sp2 hybridization. Any sp2 hybridization, in normal hybridization, there is a shape of any molecule which consists sp2 hybridization is trigonal planar shape, or geometry of sp2 hybrid orbitals, or example of sp2 hybrid orbitals is trigonal planar shape. So sp2 hybridization, there are 3 electron pair. Same sp3 hybridization, 1s and 3. So total 4 electron pairs are in sp3 hybridization. So 4 electron pair which oriented in space. There are 2 possibility of shape, tetrahedral, pyramidal or bent shapes are generally formed in sp3 hybridization. So same sp3d hybridization, 1s, 3p and 1d, total 5 electron pairs are in sp3d hybridization. So what is shape of sp3d hybridization? So trigonal bipyramidal, trigonal planar or linear shapes are available in sp3d hybridization. And last, sp3d2 hybridization. So 1s, 3p and 2d. So total number of electrons pair is 6. So octahedral or square planar or linear shapes are available in sp3d2 hybridization. Let's now discuss about sp hybridization. So another name of sp hybridization is also called linear hybridization. So what is linear hybridization or what is sp hybridization? Discuss sp hybridization with suitable example. Here sp hybridization, let's see what is definition of sp hybridization. In this hybridization, when 1s and 1p orbital can be combined to give a set of two equivalent sp hybrid orbitals is known as sp hybridization or linear hybridization. So in sp hybridization, intermixing of 1s and 1p orbitals of almost equal energy to give two identical and degenerate hybrid orbitals is called sp hybridization. These sp hybrid orbitals are arranged linearly by making of 180 degree of angle. They possess 50% S and 50% P character. For example, examples of sp hybridization are beryllium chloride, beryllium hydride BeH2, C2H2 ethine or acetylene, xenon difluoride and HgCl2, CO2 etc. These are all types of hybridization of sp hybridization. Now let's discuss one example of sp hybridization. So beryllium chloride example in our syllabus. So sp hybridization in beryllium chloride molecule. So electronic configuration of beryllium chloride: in beryllium atom, Z atomic number is 4. In ground state of beryllium atom, near valence shell electronic configuration here, near inert gas is helium. So helium 2s 2p. So ground state of beryllium atom, the electronic configuration is helium 2s2 2p 0. So in ground state there are two paired electrons and there are no any other unpaired electron. So in excited state or transition state, beryllium atom, by gaining some energy, one electron of 2s orbital promoted to this 2px vacant orbital. So there are two unpaired electrons are available. Now these two unpaired electrons are available. So these two unpaired electrons in each combined with 2 Cl atom to form 2 sigma bond, and sp hybridization will be formed here. So the beryllium chloride molecule which is example of sp hybridization. So these two sigma bond or these two bond pair of electrons are in sp hybridization. So let's see another example of sp hybridization. This one, when 1s and 1p orbital can be combined to these two sp hybrid orbitals. So another illusion, let's see, 1s and 1p when hybridized, two sp hybrid orbitals are generated. So sp hybrid orbitals shown together, large lobes only we can see here. So sp hybridization occurs, a carbon has two attached group. sp hybrid orbitals has 15% s and 50% p character. Then two sp hybrids are oriented at angle of 180 degree to each other. So consider the beryllium chloride molecule. Beryllium has 1s2 2s2 electron configuration. There is no unpaired electrons available for bonding. We conclude that the atomic orbitals are not adequate to describe orbital in molecules. We know that Cl BeCl bond angle is 180 degree due to VSPR theory. We also know that one electron from beryllium is shared with each one of the unpaired electrons of from Cl atom. So we assume that the beryllium orbitals in BeCl bond are 180 degree apart. We could promote an electron from the 2s orbital on beryllium to 2p orbital to get two unpaired electrons for bonding, but the geometry is still not explained. We can solve the problem by allowing the 2s and 1 2p orbital on beryllium to mix or form a hybrid orbital. The hybrid orbital comes from 1s and a 1p orbital and is called an sp hybrid orbital. The lobes of sp hybrid orbitals are 180 degree apart. Since only one of the beryllium 2p orbitals has been used in hybridization, there are two unhybridized p orbitals remaining on beryllium. So these are shape of beryllium chloride or beryllium chloride, the shape or geometry of beryllium chloride or beryllium chloride. Thanks.